Oh my god. What the fuck is this? The fucking ringtone. No fucking song quest, man. What the fuck is this shit? Poopy peepee. Poopy pee. Fabricio, Mod Lover, Space Hamster, King Rhino, thank you boys. We got Shad, welcome back. AQX Law, welcome back, welcome boys. Think you're funny? I don't get the reference, no. Because I never owned a Samsung. The Schnitzel, welcome back. Gockel, Porco, Chopio, with Undefined as a his that he was. We got 100 months on near the mod there too, motherfucker. 100 months, goddamn months. They can't force it, eat. Thank you very much. That is ancient, some might say. I would agree. It's a suicidal reference, by the way. Yeah, I mean, if I owned a fucking Samsung.